welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday with me, Grand Slam Sam. In today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to the 4 key game modes which have been developed to take you from average amateur to tennis hotshot. These game modes include training, mirror play, hit 'em all, and custom match. To start with, your training journey will consist of 15 levels. Each one will get progressively harder, and you can choose from playing forehands, backhands, serves, or volleys. You can play cross-court, down the line, or maybe your serve needs improving. Or if you just want to hit some reaction volleys, it's all possible. Once you've hit all of the balls in the level, check out your report card. And from my experience, aim to get at least 50% accuracy before progressing to the next level. Now here you can see me play mirror play. This is where you can play against yourself and you can notice your skills improve. Focus on adjusting to different ball spins and gradually start to increase the speed at which you play. Okay, so here you can see me play hit 'em all. This is arcade tennis of the virtual realm. The aim of the game is to accumulate points to earn your high score, and you can rank on our in-game leaderboard. Keep an eye on the timer counting down at the back of the court, because this game is pure fun, futuristic visuals and competitive leaderboards you can be playing for hours. Alright, instant match. This is where you get to put your skills to the test against a global network of other talented players. Matches are played in the unique tennis esports arena. Are you ready to test your game with serving, forehands, backhands and real gameplay strategy? You can also create a custom match and select from a variety of court surfaces. Choose from clay, grass or hard courts. You can adjust the temperature or altitude of the environment for a variety of conditions. Next time, I'll be taking a closer look at each of these gameplay modes. Please let me know which one you would like to see. Or if you have any questions, queries or comments, leave us a message and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, you can join the Tennis Esports Discord server for daily updates. Until now, good luck and I'll see you soon. Woohoo!